Alright, so we're in our final tutorial regarding quizzes in Canvas, and I want to talk to you a little bit about special circumstances for students. So let's say you do have a student in your class who is allowed to have an additional 30 minutes on a quiz. How do you handle that? Well, the good news is it's relatively simple in Canvas. So we're going to start by clicking on our quizzes link here in the navigation menu and going to our quizzes page. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to select the quiz that you would like to create an exception for the student on and give them additional time. So I'm going to choose example quiz. Now the one thing I need to actually do here that I didn't do before is I didn't add a time limit to my quiz. So let me go ahead and show you that. I'm going to edit this quiz, and in here I'm going to add a time limit. Let's say I give my students 20 minutes on this quiz. It's 2 questions, 20 minutes. I'll save that. Okay, so every other student gets that 20 minutes, but let's say that this student gets an additional 30 minutes for any quiz that he or she is taking. How do I handle that? Okay, well, all you have to do is go over here to moderate this quiz. So I'm going to click on moderate this quiz, and that's going to bring up a list of students, and this is where you can actually make adjustments on a student by student basis. So if I want to change the time that my test student is allowed to take that quiz, I simply click here on this pencil and I get to choose how many additional attempts the student gets and the additional extra time. So it tells me here everybody already gets 20 minutes, but I'm going to add 30 minutes to that, and I will save. And that now lets me know that this student gets an extra 30 minutes for each attempt that he or she takes. So again, remember to get here, under quizzes, you're going to choose the quiz you would like to moderate. So this one. And then you simply click on moderate this quiz, and that will bring up your list of students, and you can go and change on a student by student basis how many additional minutes each student gets. So that is how you can further manage your quizzes and ensure that if there are any students who have those types of needs where they do need additional time, you can accommodate them in that regard. And that's it.